Hi, I'm Tim O'Neill, Kuriyama Marketing Manager. I have with me today Brandon Tyler, our lay flat hose product specialist. He's come to us today from Houston, Texas to tell us a little bit about a new and innovative product called the Oroflex Well. The Oroflex Well is a flexible rising system designed to extract groundwater. Brandon, I understand there's a couple different types out there. One of them is more common in the industry.
Yeah, one of the more common, widely used ones traditionally in the past has been PVC pipe and steel pipe. But today we're happy to offer a flexible alternative to that.
Wonderful. Yeah, I understand that the flexible hose is taking over more and more, or becoming more popular than the rigid pipe for various reasons. I understand that includes ease of installation, easier installation, improved efficiency, and also reduced maintenance. Can you tell us a little bit about those, starting with easy installation? What makes a flexible pipe easier to install, or a flexible hose easier to install than a rigid pipe?
Yeah, just like in the name, the flexible part of it is a big key advantage to our offering here today. So traditionally in the past, when using pipe, you're going to have to piece together sticks of steel pipe or PVC pipe before putting it down into the well, where we offer 1 inch through 4 inch, 1,640 foot rolls, continuous pieces, and then 5, 6, and 8 inch, 980 foot rolls. So that allows you to be able to lower one continuous piece down into the well, creating some cost savings.
Oh, that's great. So saves time. You're not linking together pipe after pipe after pipe. You just roll one down in there.
That's right.
I understand it's better in crooked wells as well.
Yep, definitely another advantage there is putting this down into a crooked well. Typically speaking, the wells don't always stay the same. They're not always straight, where rigid pipe would not be able to be used for those instances where this one can kind of conform to a crooked well.
So it's going to weave its way down there. Also lighter weight, I'm sure. You're not carrying tons and tons of pipes around in the back of a truck.
Yeah, and in the past, when putting together pipe, you could be out there for a full day doing an install, where utilizing our system, you could take up maybe 2 to 3 guys and throw this in the back of a truck, install it, and be out within 4 hours.
That's great. Time is money.
Yep.
Improved efficiency. I understand it's more efficient than metal pipe.
That is correct. So you're going to get a much better gallon per minute flow out of this, and in turn, that's going to turn into 20% cost savings.
Oh, that's great. And then reduced maintenance, I understand, also?
Yeah, typically when dealing with water wells like this, you're going to have to service the pumps quite often, or service the pipes. The pipes become corrosive. Another advantage of ours is it's not corrosive and doesn't allow for scaling inside the hose. When you have to pull all that pipe back out, take it all apart to get the pump back out, you're going to have to put it back in again. This one does not show wear and tear after pulling it, retrieving it, and putting it back down.
Comes out easy, goes down easy. Sounds great.
Yep.
No scaling. I understand that's really important in areas that have like high mineral content in their water that can build up and actually clog the pipe.
Right. So, which also prevents the gallon per minute.
Sounds like a no-brainer to me. Let's talk about the hose. So I understand it's similar to our Oroflex Aqua hose, but it clearly has some differences here.
Yeah, so kind of same color, some of the same features. On this one is going to be NSF 61 certified, one of the big features. So great with potable water. It's a polyurethane extruded through the weave lay flat hose. So one homogeneous piece, not put together by adhesives, so it's not going to break down.
Abrasion resistant polyurethane.
Abrasion resistant. So here you would see we have this black strip on the front of the hose, and that is utilized to attach the power cable, which supplies power to the submersible pump at the bottom of the well. So you simply would just take our transparent straps that we use here, or that we offer here, and the stainless steel buckles, and you would attach the power source to the hose.
Wonderful. Well, let's talk about the coupling now. So this definitely looks a little different than some of our traditional hose couplings.
A little bit bigger of a coupling. These are conical style couplings, so they're going to be a little bit greater, wide opening at the top and kind of tapered down towards the coupling, and they're going to be an MPT thread, so segmented clamps to go around it. And here, where this one does not have a hole in it, we offer another style where we do have a hole. And the key feature about that hole over some of our competitors is this allows you to release the water at the bottom before retrieving that hose for maintenance or retrieving the pump for maintenance. So
to drain the hose, make it lighter weight.
Yep.
So how does that work?
So we offer this fuse here that is hollow on the inside, and you would just simply thread this in to the coupling, and we offer a torpedo that you would send down from the top that would go down, break off this hollow fuse, and allowing the water to escape.
Oh, that's great. And then there's another
component.
So
this we have here is our stainless steel plug that we offer in case you don't want to purchase or carry both styles of couplings. You can carry just one, and this would just simply plug that you would thread in, and that would be utilized at the top.
Oh, that's great. Versatility there.
Yep.
Okay, very good. And then what is this thing over here?
So these are our centralizers. These come in 3 or 4 different pieces that you would just simply put together on site. And typically, we recommend that you have 2 of these down at the bottom towards the submersible pump to help centralize the hose inside the well, and 1 every 15 to 20 meters going up the hose all the way to the top. And essentially, that just kind of keeps the power cable and the hose from rubbing up against the well wall.
Oh, that's great. Easier installation, higher efficiency, lower maintenance. Sounds like a winning package. So this is everything with regards to the hose assembly system. I understand we have an installation system as well.
Yeah, we have a few accessories over here that can be utilized when installing the hose. Traditionally speaking, this is our install roller. So this would be utilized when you have the hose laid out on site and you've now started to attach the power cable, you've attached the pump to the hose, and you're ready to install it. This is just a good key feature that you could use to roll the hose over the top of it, helping you to install it and lower it down into the well.
So it's all laid out, attached to a vehicle, just roll it all right down in.
That's right.
So I understand that cranes are not always required when installing Oroflex Well, but on occasion, you do occasionally need one at the beginning of the install to lower the pump.
Correct. Yeah, so this is just an install clamp. This is essentially help to use when lowering the hose originally with the pump attached to it. So it's just to secure it on the well as you're kind of putting the power cable attached or putting the centralizers on. After you start to lower it, you're good to go and no longer need the clamp.
Okay, so don't always need the crane, but if you do, it's only at the beginning to put the pump down, and then you can conclude with the pump and lower it all in. You don't have to keep raising and lowering pipe with the crane. So much simpler process there. Yeah. Well, that's great, Brandon. Thanks for coming out and talking to us about Oroflex Well, our exciting new product.
Yeah, thanks for having me out to discuss.
Thank you.